In this video, I'll show you how to play Minecraft with friends on the Nintendo Switch in step-by-step process. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to get started. So first, make sure your Nintendo Switch has Minecraft installed and that you have a stable internet connection and of course, an active Nintendo Switch online membership. You'll also need a Microsoft account which is required for multiplayer and cross-platform play. And to link your Microsoft account, launch Minecraft on your Switch and choose Sign in with a Microsoft account. A code will appear on your screen, and on a phone or computer, go to this link, which is shown on your screen, enter the code, and log into your Microsoft account. After linking, your account will stay connected, making it easier to play with friends going forward. Next, from the Minecraft main menu, select Play, then go to the Friends tab. Tap Add Friends or Invite to Game, and type in your friend's Microsoft Gamer tag. This works even if they are on different platforms like Xbox or PC. And after you send the invitation, your friend will get a notification and can accept it. Once accepted, you'll be able to join each other's world, play together, and enjoy the full Minecraft multiplayer experience. And that's it! Now you're all set to enjoy Minecraft with friends on your Nintendo Switch.